going to show you how to make really cool Mickey Mouse pancakes.
Hey friends, so today's Sunday and I realized I didn't vlog yesterday. The whole family was feeling pretty sick, so we took a rest day. Today I want to kind of ease back into it and talk about rest, because rest is one of those things that I struggle with. I feel like a lot of creatives struggle with, and I feel like a lot of people who are in that entrepreneur space definitely struggle with, which is how to rest. I know for me, just laying around and doing nothing doesn't really rejuvenate me. A lot of times I actually get more tired if I do that. I want to talk today about how I like to rest in order to get back into that energetic state. It's really important, even if you're going non-stop and you like to work really hard, that you do take some time to rest, just to let your mind get back in that space of creativity. So the way I like to do it is I like to rest creatively from my mind. So, you know, a lot of times in my free time, like a lot of you, I like to watch YouTube tutorials and learn new things and read things about my craft and just try to get better. And so on days when I want to rest, when days I'm like, I'm gonna make an intentional rest day, I don't watch any of that. I don't watch any of that kind of content. I just watch, you know, if I'm gonna watch anything, I'm gonna watch a movie I like, or just no movies at all, or just unplug from the usual kind of filling my brain with information. And then I like to do something that's kind of maybe like physical, but also super like monotonous and boring. So something like going to the dump, because that's what we're doing today. Gotta go to the dump, take some trash to the dump. For the most part, I'm like pretty terrible about like yard work and housework, and
what?
You're
terrible?
Yes, I am. For the most part, I'm pretty terrible about housework and yard work, but a lot of times if I do that though, it's helping me rest. So, and right now I'm in line at the dump, so the line's huge, so I'm trying to get this vlog in while we're waiting in line. So, sorry, quick side note, this might be the best thing ever. Somebody ordered a pizza while in line at the dump, you guys. What? Right to the truck. That is awesome. You know you've been in line for a long time when you get it delivered to the dump.
Daddy, now it's my turn. There's a truck delivering pizza in the truck. Whoa! It's jumped wide in there.
So in the spirit of rest, this one's gonna be a short vlog, and I'll be back at you guys tomorrow, and the next week's gonna be a really fun week and a lot going on. So until then, have a beautiful Sunday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.